In the broad and dark night sky, where countless stars have guided our ancestors and fueled our imaginations, one star stands out among the rest, a star that has long captivated and troubled the minds of astronomers. Located in the Orion constellation, this star is no ordinary celestial body, it is a red supergiant known as Betelgeuse, often spelled Betelgeuse. For centuries, this great star has been the subject of wonder and fascination, but recently, Betelgeuse has begun to behave in ways that are not only suspicious but also terrifying. The star's sudden dimming and subsequent brightening have raised questions that go beyond the scientific, suggesting the possibility of something much more sinister. Imagine the starry sky as a stage set for a cosmic drama. Among the brightest actors is Betelgeuse, a star that has recently started to shiver and shake, leading to the terrifying suspicion that the endgame might be near. But why is the star not only leaving the stage in a bright light, many scientists believe, but is about to dive deep into the universe, threatening not because his neighbors in the sky, but his own creation? The same galaxy, Betelgeuse is a star that defies simple description. This star has 950 times the mass of our Sun and is one of the most massive stars in the universe. However, this great size comes at a price. Massive stars like Betelgeuse burn through their core fuel at a rate that shortens their lifetimes compared to smaller stars like our Sun. Betelgeuse is a very fast-burning bomb that is about to explode in a catastrophic supernova. Although this event cannot be avoided, its exact timing is one of the world's greatest mysteries. At 650 light-years from Earth, Betelgeuse shines as the closest star to our planet, making it a prime target for astronomical research. Its brightness is undeniable, even though only 13.3% of its power is visible to the naked eye. If we could see Betelgeuse in its full glory, it would outshine Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky. But the story of Betelgeuse is not just about its brightness. It's about what lies beneath, in the core of this beautiful star, where nuclear fusion has fueled life for millions of years. Imagine a supermassive star whose radius extends to the asteroid belt that would nearly collide with Jupiter if it were in our solar system. In this great world, the Earth, Mars, Mercury and Venus are all covered by the energy. But the surprises don't end there. Every 1,000 years or so, Betelgeuse sheds a solar mass and sheds its outer layers in a spectacular display of cosmic beauty. This process creates a huge cloud of gas and dust many times larger than the star itself that engulfs Betelgeuse, turning it into an ethereal nebula. This cloud, more than 30 light-years across, invites us to see the mysteries of this great dance. At the heart of Betelgeuse, nuclear fusion controls most of life, turning hydrogen into helium and releasing enormous amounts of energy. As hydrogen becomes scarce, the core contracts under intense pressure, increasing temperature and pressure. This causes the helium to combine with heavier elements such as carbon and oxygen, causing the star to become massive. With stars the size of Betelgeuse, this is a very difficult task. The core is layered, many layers forming a solid framework to which various elements are connected. Each step changes the structure of the core structure and production, resulting in dynamic and often dynamic behavior. When Betelgeuse runs out of nuclear fuel, it will no longer have the strength to withstand the sheer force of its mass. This leads to a massive nuclear explosion and eventually a supernova explosion, one of the most amazing and dangerous things in the universe. As Betelgeuse's core collapses under its own gravity, it compresses at incredible speeds, possibly forming a neutron star or black hole. The collapse creates a massive shock wave that travels outward through the star's outer layers, heating the surrounding material and exploding in a bright and powerful explosion. Betelgeuse's outer layers are propelled into space, enriching the surrounding interstellar space with heavier elements, materials that help form new stars and planetary systems, and thus the cycle of galaxy evolution continues. The explosion of a massive star like Betelgeuse has a huge impact on its surroundings. The material produced by the supernova affects the formation of new stars and planetary systems. Shock waves from the explosion collapse nearby molecular clouds, giving birth to new stars and planetary systems. In addition, the heavy material created in Betelgeuse's core that is ejected during a supernova contributes to the chemical enrichment of the galaxy. These elements are important for the formation of planets and the development of life, making the life cycle of Betelgeuse a major force in shaping the chemical composition and structure of our galaxy. Throughout history, Betelgeuse has been a prominent feature in the night sky, influencing many cultures and astronomical studies. Ancient peoples, including the Greeks and Romans, often observed and recorded the weather, and Betelgeuse, with its unique color and brightness, is no different. In medieval Europe, Betelgeuse was associated with various myths and astrological interpretations. The color red and its prominent position in the constellation of Orion make it an important symbol in the night sky. The shape of the star and changes in its brightness were seen as signs or symbols in various cultures. In recent years, Betelgeuse has attracted the attention of modern astronomers due to its unusual behavior and the possibility of a supernova event. Advances in observing technology, including telescopes and advanced imaging techniques, have allowed scientists to study Betelgeuse in unprecedented detail. Scientists use a number of techniques to monitor the behavior of stars, including photometry to measure changes in brightness and luminosity to analyze the star's structure. These observations will help scientists understand Betelgeuse's current state and predict its future evolution. In 2019, Betelgeuse surprised scientists with a sudden and dramatic decline. At first it was thought that a large dust storm coming from the surface of the star would block our view. However, the origin of this dust cloud is not clear. Some scientists believe that a large object, possibly a rogue planet, has disrupted the star's surface or swallowed it. But months later, Betelgeuse again defied expectations by nearly doubling its previous brightness, a remarkable improvement for a star nearing the end of its life. Predicting the exact timing of a Betelgeuse supernova is a difficult task. Although scientists can estimate the probability of a supernova based on the age and behavior of the star, accurate predictions are difficult because of the many variables involved. Factors such as the star's mass, composition and environment all play a role in determining the timing and nature of the explosion. Current models of stellar evolution and supernova mechanics provide important insights, but there is still much to learn about the unique phenomena that occur in these events. Continued observations of Betelgeuse and other large stars are important to refine these models and improve our understanding of these planetary events. Betelgeuse is an important case study in the evolution of stars. By studying the behavior and properties of stars, scientists can gain a deeper understanding of the life cycle of other giant stars and the processes that lead to supernovae. Betelgeuse's unique properties, its size, brightness and erratic behavior, make it ideal for studying the later stages of stellar evolution. Observations of Betelgeuse contribute to our understanding of the dynamics of massive stars, including what influences their lives and the processes that lead to their final collapse and explosion. The future of Betelgeuse is one of the most pressing questions in modern astronomy. Will the star continue to shine, signaling an impending supernova, or will it hold back, delaying its final demise for thousands of years? As Betelgeuse continues to defy expectations, astronomers around the world eagerly await the next chapter in the mysterious star's history. Whether Betelgeuse explodes tomorrow or in a million years, its legacy will remain as a symbol of cosmic wonder and a symbol of the dynamic forces that shape our universe. The story of Betelgeuse is not just a science story. It is also deeply rooted in human culture. Throughout history, this star has inspired myths, legends and scientific research. The bright red color and unexpected behavior have been a subject of admiration and imagination for generations. Today, Betelgeuse continues to fascinate the scientific community and the general public. Looking to the future, the last supernova of a star, whether it happens in our lifetime or not, will undoubtedly be one of the most important astronomical events in human history.